Hello guys, Ryan here. Three things. Got a new intro. For Ryan, and this is for commentaries, obviously. And I'm just playing a bit here, but I've got to get something straight. I'm getting subs for, I've got my mates have got channels as well. So it's a bit unfair. So I'm just telling you that to go and sub to them. They're Serengeti Miners, the JS Goon, the JS Fakey, the JS Revolution, the JS Community, JS Blur, and all the others, okay? This is just, I need some subs as well because I'm running low. I only got 15, but I will. And I think I've got that. I think I've got that straight. I think. Don't know what else to talk about. Lately, I haven't been uploading lately. School. Just watch the rest of the video, I guess. There's nothing else I can really say. At the end, that's our logo going to be. So I guess I'll see you later. Thanks for watching. Please rate, subscribe. Thanks.